Show me what you can do. Who are you?
Aiden.
Are you Super Aiden? How can you climb up that wall? What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to.
What are you trying to do?
Let's try something.
Do you know what I think?
What?
I think your underwear are on backwards. What do you think? Aiden?
Of all the tools in your house,
Aiden, what are you hoping to accomplish?
this could easily be the most dangerous.
What are you trying to...
That hurts me. That hurts.
Koa, we can't stress this enough. Just keep it and you
Why?
far away from our lives.
What are you doing now?
Let me see. Let me see.
What do you want to see?
I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna see it.
You want to see it? What's going on with your hair?
I'm gonna see it.
What's going on?